Good morning, grade 8. Before we start 16.3, that is related to volume of cylinder, let us see how to find volume of cylinder. Now see, volume of generally any prism, volume of any prism, if you find out, it is area of base into height. Now if you draw cylinder, this is cylinder, then base of a cylinder is circle. So if I concentrate on volume of cylinder, it should be area of base is what? Area of circle. And this is height into height. What is area of circle? It is pi r square into this height. So what becomes volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So that is pi r square h. No need to learn. You remember area of base into height. And base of cylinder is nothing but circle. So it becomes pi r square h. Is it clear? Now let's go for 16.3 exercise. Question number 1 will do. See now, question number 1. Question 1. Find the volume of cylinder if height h and radius of the base r are as given below. So first question from that, they say radius is 10.5 centimeters. So radius is 10.5 centimeters and height they have given us 8 centimeters. Height is 8 centimeters. Okay. So we have to find volume of cylinder. Okay. So let's find volume of cylinder first. So volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So this is 22 upon 7. Radius is what? 10.5 square into 8. So this is 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 8. Is it not? Alright. So 7 ones are 7 and 0.5. Okay. So we have 22 into 1.5 into 10.5 into 8. So just do these calculations. So we'll do first 22 into 1.5. Okay. So 15 twos are directly you do 30. 15 twos are 30 plus 3, 33. After one number point is there, isn't it? So you got this answer as 33. Multiplication of this two. Into you have 10.5 into 8. Okay. So 8 fives are 40. 8 ones are 8. Again point. So after one number point is there. So into 84. Now you can do 84 into 33. This is much more easier. Alright. So 3 fours are 12. 3 eights are 24 plus 1 25. Again same 3 we are doing. So it will be 2, 5 and 2. So what do we get? 2772. So 2772. This is volume. Volume should be always in cubic centimeters. So sorry, this is 3. So what you got? 2772. Either you write centimeter cube or you can write cubic centimeter. Anything will do. Both are correct. Okay. Cubic centimeter or you can write centimeter cube. Volume is always in cube. Area is in square. First problem is clear. Okay. Let's do second one. Similarly, you have to do second one as well. Please pause the video, understand, do on your own and then cross check. Alright. Let's go to the second. Now look at the second problem. Radius is 2.5 and height is 7 meters. Both are in meters. So pi r square h, pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 2.5 square into 7. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. So we are left with 22. 25 square is 625. Now it is 2.5 into 2.5. So after two numbers point will be coming. So 6.25 you have multiplied by 22. So again after 2, if you carry out multiplication, after 2 numbers point should be there. Alright. So you have 137.50, or it is same as 137.5. After point, end 0 doesn't have any importance. So it is 137.5 or 137.50, but unit should be meter cube. Alright. Let's go to the third one now. So let's go to the third problem now, where radius is given as 4.2 centimeters and height is 5. Substituting in the formula, we get 4.2 the square, whole square is 4.2 into 4.2 multiplied by 22 by 7 into 5. 7 ones are and 7 sixes are 42, but it is 4.2, so it will be 0.6. So we have 22 into 0.6 into 4.2 into 5. Now 6 fives are is 30. After 1 point will be there, so it is 22 into 3.0, that means only 3 into 4.2. 3 into 22 will be 66 into 4.2. If you carry out multiplication, you get 2772. Again after 1 point is there, therefore you get 277.2 centimeter cube. Okay. All the calculations should be done in the rough column at your right hand side of your notebook. They are very important. Okay, do not miss out the calculations. You have to do it on your own. Do not use calculator for it. Now let's go for the fourth question from the same. Now look at the fourth problem. Radius is 5.6 centimeters and height is given as 5 centimeters. So radius 5.6 we have substituted. We get 22 by 7 into 5.6 into 5.6 because it is square into 5. 7 ones are and 7 eights are 56. But it is 5.6, so it is 0.8. So we are left with 22 into 0.8 into 5.6 into 5. 5 eights is 40. After 1 point is there, so it is 22 into only 4. 4.0 is 4 into 5.6. Now 4 into 22 is 88 into 5.6. You can see the calculations. We get 492.8 centimeter cube. Please do not miss out the calculations. Okay. So we have solved all this was fourth one. Let me correct the number. So this is fourth problem from first question of 16.3. Okay. So please do it in your notebook. Once you have understood, you should be doing it on your own and then cross-checking with video. Do not copy. Okay. So that's all from my side for today, students. Thank you.